My name is Jiří Kubalec and I work in Tatra Metalurgie as a technical worker. This company is a foundry for manufacturing and processing of iron and non-ferrous alloys. We produce castings for Tatra trucks and other customers across Europe. We use 3D printing to produce models and tools for our foundry. The main advantage is the amount of time we save during the preparation and production of various models. Compared to conventional machines, this process is several times cheaper and faster. No matter whether we are starting a new project or just adjusting existing models. Objects printed with a 3D printer are also used as loose parts in our machines, replacing older parts manufactured with CNC machines. "3D printing is used by our technicians to achieve the required quality and to meet the deadlines.